face.
Well, it looks like she's getting buffer. Oral sex.
Comes the fun part. No.
Ah, don't scare him. No. Oh, yeah, go prison. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right, go prison. No prison. You need a dick for that.
Look at those lovers.
Jesus.
They're disgusting.
Fuck.
It just must like that dog. It's just gonna go again on top.
This is the boring part. You're not doing it. I'm not for to try to cop now. There you go. Just kidding, no, I guess. Sleeping gun. Princess has to do it again.
This is gonna have puppies.
What color do you think they're gonna be? I think they're gonna be white.
Same here. I think they're gonna be white.
Yeah, I think she's having white puppies. That black dog's fucking ugly. Look at his face.
I like it.
Down, look at the pink part. Fuck, that shit's going fast. Like a bunny rabbit. What's the person do? She wants to see. I want to see how you do it, so I can do it too.
Like, damn, I'm getting pussy.
No, princess.
Don't copy, you're not a guy. Not for that shit. I want to experiment too. This one was really liking it. The other dog didn't stand a chance.
She's probably gonna fuck like, I don't know how many times already. This dog's been here so many times.
Hold on, chat box on this side. Do it.
Ah!
Let's go.
Let her finish.
Yeah, they're probably gonna finish off right now.
They're probably done.
Now look, that fool's panting.
She's tired. No, princess. God, you're female. Come back.
I don't think Princess knows how to get outside.